I'm Skylar. Officially, there's no way to use an iPhone with multiple iTunes libraries. It just wasn't designed to do that because early on, I believe, the deals with the recording industry that Apple had to sign said that the recording industry really didn't want people to be able to transfer music from one computer to another because it violated copyright laws and it was their content, and it's not really an issue that we'll get into. But the short answer is that an iPod or an iPhone is a one-way valve. So I can put music onto it from an iTunes library, but I can't extract music from it to an iTunes library. By the same token, I can't get music from my iTunes library and then connect it to my cameraman's music library and then download his music to my iPhone. Unless, and this is kind of risky advice, you jailbreak your iPhone. Now, I'm not necessarily advocating the process of jailbreaking, but if it's something you choose to do, then you have other options. There's an application that can be downloaded from the Cydia store called SwapTunes, and SwapTunes will allow you to do exactly that, to transfer music to an iTunes library or connect to multiple iTunes libraries. So if it's something you choose to investigate, I recommend just Googling SwapTunes, and you see right here that there are a whole lot of hits and videos, tutorials on how to use it and how to install it. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.